Hey everyone, today in this video I'll show you how can you basically travel back in time in Google Maps, where you can see places and how did they look like years ago using the Street View option on Google Maps. So let's jump right into it. First, you open your browser and go to Google Maps and let's choose a random place in the map in, let's say, Los Angeles right here. We need to zoom in a little bit in the map in this random spot that I'm choosing right here. So I click there and then I tap on the Street View mode in the bottom. As you can see guys, I am in the Street View mode. I can rotate right and left just like that. And if I want to see how did this place look like years ago, I can tap on see more dates right next to the date right here. And in the bottom, I find multiple dates where I can check how did this place look like in. As you can see, this is how it looked like in May 2017. And I can even travel older. Now this option is not available in all places. As you can see in this place, I find the date in the top left, but there is no see more dates button right next to it. So again, it is available in some areas and it is not available in all areas. As you can see in this place, it is available and I can see how did this place look like even in maybe more than a decade ago in 2008 right here. And that is basically, guys, how can I travel back in time in Google Maps. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and thank you very much for watching.